All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and show you how to make a line graph on Google Sheets. So this is the data all of you will be working with, and I made you a handy little data table here that is already properly formatted in order to make a graph on Google Sheets. So the first thing you're going to want to do is highlight all of this data here and go to Insert, Chart. And it'll come up with a chart that we definitely don't want. I'm asking you for a line graph, but it also pops up a window for a chart editor here on the right-hand side of the screen. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to change this from column chart to line chart, and make sure to choose the sharp lines. Don't choose the smooth line chart. Make sure to show me the sharp changes. Then you're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to have to change some of these options to tell the computer to display the chart in a certain way. So you are going to turn off, so get rid of the check mark next to use row 6 as headers, and you are going to use column G as labels, and you're also going to want to aggregate column G. And if you aggregate column G, it will get rid of these 1/2 generations. It's impossible to have half of a generation. So we're going to aggregate column G. So at this point, we are more or less done with the actual visual formatting of the chart. What we want to do now is go to where it says Customize, and we want to go to Chart and Axis Titles. So click on that, and the first thing you're going to get is the type of title you're working with is the chart title, and you're going to change the title of your graph to, well, whatever the title of your graph is. Then you're going to go ahead next to type and change to horizontal axis title. And the horizontal axis title is your x-axis. So this is title of your x-axis. And eventually somewhere near the bottom here, when Google stops lagging, you'll get your title of your x-axis showing up. And then next to type again, change to vertical axis title. And this will become the title of your y-axis. At that point, under where it says legend, go ahead and change the position to none. We don't want a legend for this graph because we only have one line, so we don't need a legend. After that, if you want to go back to chart and axis title and change fonts and colors and, you can even change the colors of the chart type and whatnot. You're welcome to do that. You don't have to. Whatever you change it to, make sure it's something that I can read and easily assess. After that, go ahead and click on it, and you can Control-C. Control-C is the copy function, and paste it into the Google Doc that you'll be working with.